shoot!
I cannot believe you caught a fish with an airplane, Harry.
That is insane.
Hey,
I've never seen anything like it.
Fly by the pavilion. I think it's not big enough.
Oh, he just biffed it.
It's a real fish.
Woo. His face is not doing so well.